Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's Senior Kitchen. I'm going to use $1,000 to cook. I'm going to bring it to the supermarket with me and show you what $1,000 can pay for when I pick it up.
Pablo Fernandez is all the way in Ohio.
So now guys, I'm into the supermarket. I'm going to look what $1,000 can buy and cook. So look at some meat first. Expensive man. $1,000 can buy this cook. Some of the cow skin part. So guys, I'm going to use cocoa inside of it. I don't know how much it's going to cost, but we are keeping it down to make it $1,000 I can buy it.
So what are you gonna make?
Pumpkin soup.
Okay. Stay tuned.
So guys, we did it. I said we can get a small piece of yam to go inside of it, a yellow yam. So the piece looks so big enough, so I'm going to try it. So I can buy the piece here, no cost. Guys, I'm going to put it on the scale and see if I can buy it. So guys, I'm weighing the yam and the cocoa. When I reach the cashier, make I see what it's going to cost. So guys, I'm going to buy an Irish. So guys, we still at the budget at $1,000, so we're going to take up a cock soup to see if we can pay for it with $1,000. So guys, we did the season part, we're going to take up an all-purpose to go inside of it. So guys, we did the cashier part, we're going to test it now and see if $1,000 can pay for it. $1,000 can buy it. Oh, very nice. Guys, I am back from the supermarket. Guys, I go to the meat part first as I can see because I want to cook something but it is not on my channel. I want to cook a meat what is not on my channel. So guys, when I go to the meat part, the beef and the pork and all different type of meat was there. It's so expensive. So I say, you know what? I'm going to cook some cow skin. I make some cow skin soup. Very good for everybody now, guys. So I go and pick it up, guys. I never know I could get back change. When I go to the food part there, I go and take up a small piece of yam. And guys, I can show you the rest of the change and move it out of the way. See it here. So as you can see it, guys, see it here. The change you get back $320.25. And see it right here, guys. And some changes right here. I'm going to get it out the way. Guys, here what I buy. So guys, see it here, the cow skin. And guys, here is it. Why I choose this one because it have everything inside of it. It have pepper, have thyme, You have pimento seed, you have every little thing of season mixed inside of it. And that's why I choose to use the all-purpose, and this will bring up more taste inside of the soup. So guys, whatever I buy, this is what I'm going to use to make this soup, guys. I'm not going to put nothing from home inside of it, and that's soup going to taste very good. If one day you should at home and you have a small piece of meat and a small piece of yam and one Irish and one cocoa, guys, and one cock soup mix and one all-purpose, guys, you can use it and make your soup and it tastes good. Cook with me, guys. I'm going to show you what to do. So remember, guys, I'm going to pull out the cow skin and take it out. So guys, this meat can soak overnight also too, you know. You can soak it overnight. It's easier to cook when you soak it overnight. So you know some things come inside of it. So guys, we have some things inside here to clean up. So you have to take and cut it out and clean it up, guys. You have to scrape it and clean it up and take out all of these things what's inside of it, guys. So guys, I'm going to show you when I finish cleaning it up. I'm going to show you how it looks, guys. But you have to take out, remove everything from inside. See it here, guys. I'll open it and show you. Whatever inside here, you have to clean up very good to cook. Remember to wash your meat more than one time. So guys, I was going to show you when it finished clean how it look, but guys, I feel like to show you how to clean it up. So guys, clean with me. See it here? You scrape out what's inside here, guys. Take your knife and you scrape out it and cut out what you cut out, guys, and you scrape out it, guys. See it here? So pretty? You don't want anything inside of it. And you come on here and scrape around the back. This is where you clean up your cow skin. Guys, is it pretty? Look how it's pretty when it's clean. And when you don't clean, guys, look upon it, a difference. See it? So guys, remember to when you clean it, guys, so just cut out what's inside here. And then you turn it around and you scrape it off. And then go and wash it and put it on to cook. So guys, see it look when you finish clean. I finished cleaning now. Is it pretty? Pretty, guys. So guys, the cow skin is into the pot. You're going to put in about 3 cups to 4 cups of water inside of it. Call it 3.5 cups of water. And make it cook for 25 minutes. So guys, I remove it from the pressure cooker. And this is the way it looks when it finished cook. Very soft. So it's time to cook down the food inside of it. So I'm going to throw it inside the cocoa. And the yam and the Irish inside of it. So guys, here's how it looks. It's time to season it now. So I'm going to put half cup of the cock soup inside of it. Not put the whole pack, I'm going to be salt. You have 30% of salt in it, so I'm going to put a small amount of all-purpose seed. Oh guys, look how it don't cook down as yet. Guys, wow. So guys, look. So it look nice, don't miss nothing. So $1,000 can still cook in Jamaica and remain change. Guys, this is cow skin. Look at the cow skin. Guys, this is very good. This all can blend and drink as a tonic, guy. Can blend and drink. Couscous is very good for your body, guys. So guys, look on this soup. Guys are going to taste it, and if it wants anything, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm going to taste it and see what this soup wants. If it wants salt, I'm going to say. And if it wants any other season, I'm going to say. I'm going to speak the truth, guys. I'm going to taste it. Oh my God. Guys, look on it. Inside the soup, guys, look. You have carrot inside of it. Some small cut out of pumpkin seed there, guys. So this dough carry everything inside of it. You don't need any season otherwise for me to use and to make your soup. Look at it, guys. The soup nice and thick. Here, guys. Is that nice? The next minute or two we're going to turn it. So guys, it's time to remove the flame from underneath the pot. And you still can use $1,000 in Jamaica and cook and still remain with change. So I'm going to turn off the flame.